Alright, I've got a really nice commercial grade Cub Cadet Z-Force 58 inch. This has the commercial grade fabricated deck, welded deck, along with the bigger back wheels and drives, and the Kohler Command Pro 23 horsepower motor. This thing is really clean. Everything operates on it like it should, no problems at all. No smoking, no rattling. Deck's not shaking around when you engage it. Good tread on the tires. Seat's not cracked. It's got the commercial style foot pedal adjustment for your height. You just move that pin right there to whatever slot you want and use this pedal to adjust it up and down. And then it's got the rocker arm suspension on the front, so each one of these can individually tilt up like that. This thing has 643 hours, I think, on it. Let's see. Yep, only looked at that once. Pretty good memory. All right, I'll start this thing up and show you guys what she's all about. Got to have your e-brake on. Pull your choke. Fires right up. I'll rev it up for you. Oh, it's still choked, sorry. Idle it down. Your exhaust pipes right there. No smoke, no shaking or anything weird back there. I'll rev it up for you. E-brake off. Forward, reverse, left, right. On this deck, you just push this pedal in and tilt it to release it. See that? And then you just let it back to wherever you have your pin set at, which might be too low. Yeah, I'll raise that up just a little bit. Be a little low, but I want you to be able to see it cut. It is missing the grass chute. That's the only thing that's missing. Got some taller grass right over here. Is wet. It rained all night last night. Still cuts great. Beautiful cut, nice and level, nice sharp blades. I'll idle it back down for you. No smoke or no problems. Also, this has got new spindle put on it, a couple new pulleys. Oil change, all the stuff that you do at the beginning of the season has already been done. So this mower is ready to rock and roll and either be a good mower for your house or your business and make you some money.